Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about different types of general labor jobs in Canada. Doesn't matter if you are an international student or a foreign worker, you can do this job. In this video, we will talk about different types of people who apply for these jobs. I don't want to waste your time and mine as well, so I won't extend this video to get views. I will tell you simple ways and easy to understand steps that you have to follow. So in this video, we will talk about more than general labor jobs in Canada. We will see salary package job requirements and how you can apply for these jobs. So before I start this video further, please subscribe to my channel and press these bell icon as well, and never miss any updates these kind information in future. So let's get started. Here we go. Okay, first you have to open Job Bank Canada. In the search bar, just type laborer and simply click on advance. Here you will have to apply some filters to get the results. First, just click all these checks. Now scroll down and click on no experience or less than 1 year experience. If you have more than 1 year experience, you can click on this check as well and click on no education requirement. And if you have high secondary certificate, it will be a plus point for you. Click on these as well, and last click on Canadians and international candidates, and just click on view results. And there you go. Don't forget to click on date posted so that you can get latest jobs updates. So these are the results and latest jobs that you can apply for. There are different types of labor jobs that you can apply, and you can see the salary package. The average salary package is round about $25 per hour. So choose the job which suits you. For example, in my case, I will go for construction labor. So here you can see complete requirement. You can see $29 per hour, and you can work 35 to 40 hours per week. This is permanent full-time employment. You just required English language, no degree or certificate or diploma required. If you have experience, then it will be a plus point for you to get this job. And these are their responsibilities that you have to do. Here you have to click on how to apply, and this is the email of your employer. Here you have to apply for this job. In this way, you can choose any job that is good for you. So now I'm going to tell you how you can apply. Before you apply for the job, doesn't matter if you are an international student or job seeker, you should have good professional Canadian format, resume, CV, and cover letter. Without these documents, don't you think that you can get a job? If you think you can create, then go for it. Otherwise, I have seen many people fail to create exact format of resume. That's why they don't get job. If you need a good Canadian format resume, you can hire me. Link is give me below in description. As I mentioned before, there are two types of people. First one, if you are international students, you don't need any kind of visa. You can work on your study visa as well, but you are limited to work 20 hours per week. So I would recommend you, if you are a student and you want to work and you are looking for a job, search for a job that is 20 hours for a week. But whenever your semester ends, you have full-time work limit, then you can work 40 hours per week. All you just need to have a good Canadian format resume CV as well. Now let's talk about the people who are outside of Canada or inside of Canada and are looking for a job. You have to apply for an immigration program. There are lots of immigration programs available, but I would recommend you to go for Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot Program or PNP program. I have uploaded a complete video on Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot Program. You can watch it. If you want to apply for PNP program, please province has its own PNP program. So you have to visit official website of the province where you are applying for the job. For example, if I want to apply for this job, which is in Calgary, Calgary is a capital city of Alberta, so I would go for Alberta PNP program. By the way, in this video, I have mentioned complete details about Alberta PNP program, so you can watch that video to understand the steps to apply for this program. That's all, guys. If you need further information, you can ask me on Instagram or you can comment down below.